Hello everyone, and I hope you're having a lovely day. I'm Avtaars Flora, and I'm going to share paneer paratha with you today. So paneer is the cheese, Indian cheese made out of the full fat milk, and paratha is a multi-layered flatbread. Paneer paratha is going to be the paratha filled with the stuffing of the paneer inside it. First is making the dough or the atta for the paratha, and the second would be getting the spices and the paneer ready to go inside the stuffing, and yet of course the third would be the cooking itself. Plain flour, and into this I'm going to add some salt so that it will go into the flour as well, and mix this with the plain water. I have already done the recipe for the atta or roti making if this is your first time, so yeah, it will be useful to refer to that one. I want to have it just the medium consistency. Let the gluten work, so let it rest for at least half an hour. Now the quantity of water absorbed by your flour will depend on the type that you are using. So just put a bit of oil so that it doesn't dry out. The paneer I'm using in today's recipe is a shop bought one, and it is in a block, so I'm going to grate it. Paneer grated, and into this add the remaining salt into the paneer. This is a must. It's caraway seeds, so gets added. Apart from the taste, it is very good for your digestive health, especially when you're eating something rich like a paratha. Mango powder. You may want to replace this with lemon juice, fresh lemon juice, entirely up to you. So that acts as a lovely flavor enhancer, as a balancer, or you could use the chaat masala if you've got any at home. Coriander seeds get added. I've crushed them lightly. Next is some jeera. I roast it first. So cumin seeds roasted and cooled down, and I'm going to crush this. With the cumin, when I have roasted it, it's releasing those essential oils, and then when you are grinding it, there's that wonderful aroma that's coming out of that powder. Fried onions. Now what these will do is they will give me that bit of a crunch, as well as I've got that taste there. Now if you were using the fresh onions, they tend to release the moisture. This way you haven't got that added extra moisture in there. Coriander leaves, although I've used the seeds. Now the seeds will help to balance the heat properties of the cumin seeds and that mango powder, so you have this for the the fresh taste as well. So all that gets added in there. Last but not the least, some fresh green chilies. They have got their own fresh taste. Instead of using the powders, red chili powder, or even the black peppercorn powder, I'm avoiding all those because paneer itself is very bland, and you want to add the spices or the additional ingredients to it to kind of enhance that taste of the paneer. I will avoid stuff like ginger, garlic into this, to mix that. just mush the paneer slightly with your fingers, so it is becoming like a sticky consistency. Now if you were using the fresh paneer, obviously that would have more moisture quantity, so this is looking more like a crumbly consistency, but that is fine. Let's have a look at the atta or the dough, and that's what my atta is like. Yeah, so both elements done, and now the cooking part. I've divided atta into equal parts there. The paratha traditionally in Punjab or Punjabi household is part of the breakfast. There it means the different variations or different varieties of parathas come into the place. Now Punjab particularly has got abundance of milk and the milk products, that is paneer. So paneer is very, very high protein product that you could have using my fingers, or if this is not your forte, you can just use the rolling pin. So this is what I'm going to just use my hands to make it into like a little ball shape, and then take that filling very generous. So when I start pressing the filling down, the atta starts getting raised from the sides, and there you go. My tawa or my hot plate, I can tell is hot because I can feel the temperature there. As you can tell, the color is changing, so it means it's getting cooked from one side, and I will just pick it up and flip it. So I want to have it on the medium heat because I want it to get cooked. Now, if this was my mum, oil is not the normal practice because Punjabis love the ghee, which is clarified butter, and it has to be a lot of ghee as well. I'm using olive oil. I'm not using pure virgin olive oil because that will not stand the temperature. So that paneer paratha is ready. I'm just cutting one to show you what it's looking like. So you got a plenty filling of paneer and coriander, and that fragrance that's coming out of the paneer paratha. Traditionally, it's a breakfast item, and it would be enjoyed with just a bit of pickle or the bowl full of fresh yogurt. Of course, this isn't my breakfast. This is going to be my dinner, and I am absolutely dying to eat it. And a bit of pickle, dip it into there, and I hope you've enjoyed this cooking paneer paratha with us today, and yes, do give it a go, and I'm absolutely sure you will love it. They are addictive. On that note, I would like to say God bless you all. Do take care, stay safe. Until next time, see you. Ta-ta, bye.